Okay. So let's just move this, and then I'm going to start the video and I can edit it. Okay. So today we're going to focus on fractional rates again, but today we're going to do discounted rates. So the first thing I need you to write in your Cornell notes is discounted rates on the left side of your paper with your line down the middle. Do not waste your time writing any words. If you need any time to pause the video, please do so. I'm going to move on to our first example. It reads, a sneaker store advertised all Nikes priced at 1/4 discount. What is the amount of the discount if the shoes originally cost $189.40? So what this question is really asking me is I need to find 1/4 of $189.40. So how would I do that? I would have to multiply 189.40 times 1/4, which is really the same thing as dividing by 4. And that's going to give me my discount off, as in the amount that it was taken off of the original price. When I do that, I would set up my equation just like this right here. How many times does 4 go into 1? 0. What about 4 goes into 18? What is that going to be? It would be 4 times. With 16 left over, 2 is going to drop down, 9 is going to drop down. How many times does 4 go into 29? The answer is 7. Do not forget your decimal. So once I bring that down, or 28, so I can have 1 left over, my 4 is also going to fall down. 4 goes into 14 3 times. And 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to get 2 left over, 0 falls down. 4 goes into 25 times. So this number is my discount off. $47.35 is my discount off. So I'm going to write that right here, and I'm going to write it nice and big in a thick marker. Again, my pen is your pen, so what I write should be in your notebook. So my discount off is $47.35. My pen is your pen. If you need any time to pause, please pause now. My second part of my question is, what is the discount price of the shoes? Show or explain your answer. So, I have my original price, which was $189.40, and I also have my discount, which I know is the amount that was taken off of what I actually purchased. So, how I'm going to write my answer is original price minus discount equals new price. Now, there's one thing we should go over right now before anyone gets confused. We have our discount, and then we have a discount price or a new price. Our discount is the amount that was taken away from the original price, and our discount price or new price is the amount that you actually paid, the sale price, okay? So, if I fill in my original price, so we knew the original price was $189.40. We found that our discount was $47.35. On your paper, I want you to write down what is 189.4 minus 47.35. Okay, I'm going to do my math right over here. 189.40. What's most important here is that I line up my decimals. 47.35. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the amount that I actually paid, my sale price, discounted price, or new price would equal $142.05. Now when I ask you on your prove it and throughout your practice, explain or show your answer, I'm looking for this formula, which is original price minus discounted price equals new. I'm sorry, let me say that again. Original price minus discount equals new price, okay? Let's move on to our next example. If you do not have any of the work on this page, I need you to pause now. Next, our example reads, a new washing machine was on sale for $145.25. If the washing machine was marked down a 1/8 discount, what was the original price? Let me first erase this work that we had before. If it was marked down 1/8 discount, so let's think about this. My discounted price was $145.25, which means this was what it was on sale. On sale, okay? Now, this question we have to set up in a different way, and I'll tell you why. 1/8 is what was taken away, so what we're really doing, $145.25 is the original price minus the discount, okay? So that's our answer that we found on the last page. How do we work backwards? We're going to see that $145.25, we still don't know the original price, but we do know that we got 1/8 discount. So if you had 1 and you took away 1/8, what would you have left? Very good. If you had 1 and you took away 1/8, you're going to see that this is really the same thing as 1 over 1 or 8 over 8. So you're going to have 7/8 left. So this price, $145.25, is actually equal to 7/8 of the original price, which you'll see right here. Again, my pen is my pen, and whenever my work is covered by a box, it needs to be in your notes. So if we have $145.25 equals 7/8 of the original price, how do I find my original price? And what I mean by that, how do I get a fraction to be a whole number, a fraction to be the number 1 in particular? We learned this the other day. How do I have a fraction turn into 1 as the number? If you said multiplicative inverse, you are absolutely correct. So if I have 7/8, I'm going to need to multiply by 8 over 7 on both sides. So I'm going to multiply 8 over 7 on this side. I'm going to multiply 8 over 7 on this side. Okay? Now, if I have 7, so this is the same thing. Let me write a new equation because it's getting a little confusing. I'm going to write it right up here. So I have 145.25. My pen is your pen. That's the equation we have. We're going to multiply by the multiplicative inverse in order to cancel these out. So I'm going to multiply by 8 over 7. And I'm always going to multiply on both sides of my ratio or both sides of my equation because we need it to stay proportional. And I multiply by the same thing. Okay? My 7 and 7 cancel out, and my 8 and 8 cancel out, which means this is equal to 1. That's exactly what we wanted. 1 original cost. Okay, now let's move over here. How in the world are we going to do this? We are going to need to multiply 145.25 times 8 and then divide by 7. I know it looks like a lot of work, but you can do it. Okay, on your paper, I want you to multiply 145.25 times 8. Go. Okay, so my answer that I got was 1,162. Am I done? No, I am not done. You are not done, because what do we have left? We need to divide by 7 because it was a fraction. It means 2 steps, 2 steps. I have 1,162 divided by 7. Top goes in, bottom goes out. I'm going to do it right over here so you can see me. 1,162 divided by 7. How many times does 7 go into 1? 0. 7 go into 11? 1. Minus 7. You get 4 left over, bring down my 6. How many times does 7 go into 46? Answer is 6. 42. 4 left over, bring down a 2. How many times does 7 go into 42? 6. So, what was I looking for? I was looking for my original price, okay? So if my sale price was $145.25, what I just found is that my original price was $166. Your final answer would be $166. So all we did was we found we had our discounted price or new price equals the original minus our discount. We had the discount, we figured out that we originally had 7/8, and we had to use our multiplicative inverse to find that as 1. Okay, you're ready to practice. Shut your laptop, raise your hand, I'll bring your practice around.